κόκκινο φεγγάρια. In cult we trust.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if we are going back in time and we are living here in Greece and you have born at the 70s like me, you remember all the time old people or maybe people on 50s, 45 to ride bikes like this. It's very common bike for Greece, and this model and the 250 single model. The bikes those years was already old. No one was signing like this. Most of them they was having an extra box that they use it for a basket, and they use it to going to work and put some woods inside, nails, to carry things, families and things like this. So in my mind I have this bike connected with old people of my childhood years. Also at the same time I consider this bike exactly what I mean if I say classic bike. The first thing that is coming on my mind if I say classic bike is this. And finally, did I consider it as a beautiful bike or because it's got a boxer, and as everybody knows I'm not so big fan of the boxer, I consider it as an ugly bike? For sure not. This is not an ugly bike. This is a beautiful bike, 1000%. And I can understand how useful is the boxer those years because you cooling the cylinders easier, you can touch the inside of the engine, I mean the head, the boxers, the carburetors much easier. And for sure, this black color with the white stripes it's a beautiful motorcycle, 1000%. Especially if you take outside the back seat, then the things are going much, much better. So what we got in this lovely bike? Too many things for those years. We got clock, we got bliblikia, we got a nail key, typical, we got a locker from the side, we got this typical British style suspension front, we got a Pagusta seat that is existing almost in all German bikes those years, we got here extra seat for the second rider, we got extra those protectors, everything is extra. We have a double standard, we got a single stand, and we got position anyway for the second rider. If I am feeling comfortable, let's going up to this bike. I have to be careful a little bit because I have the microphone, also it's a little bit windy here. Yes, I feel very nice on it. Everything is in the correct position. My hands are okay, I see the beautiful clock and I consider it as a very good position of riding. Also for sure, Pagusta, it's very comfortable for my royalty, as you understand. Let's see now what is going on with Georgia, because let's say that Georgia wants also to going with το καπέλο. Ας το μαλλί να ανεμίσει. Ας το μαλλί να ανεμίσει. Okay, Georgia, you feel comfortable?
Yes.
Of course you feel comfortable. We got a nice stepper for Georgia, we got a nice position for Georgia, and we got a handle here for Georgia. So Georgia is feel happy, and you can see this lovely motorcycle. And the other. This one is mine, this one in there is mine. But I have given it to Alexandros because I love his garage. Anyway, Georgia. Starting procedure. You press the key inside, the blick is lighting. Here is the Kickstarter. Okay, the key is old style key, everything is in the correct position, the engine sounds nice, the gearbox is not good at all. Anyway, I got the power and the brakes are a little bit old for our days, otherwise we got a very nice bike. Engine. Boxer engine wasn't very popular at the 50s. Not only for the German motorcycles, but also for the British, but also for the Americans. We was having some Americans with a Boxer engine, because as I told you from the start, Boxer, it's nice engine for those years. Air cool. You can cool easily the cylinders with air around you. Also, you can touch easy the carburetor, you can open the head, you can see your piston, everything is very easy, and those things was very important for those years. Now, this engine has got 494 cubics, it's two-cylinder of course, it's air-cooled, it's got 26 horses at 5,800 RPM, and it's got 4 speeds with a shaft. Okay, we got a single disc back of here, and it's typical. You know, because the engine is turning like this, it's easy to use the shaft because you don't have to change the moving from this direction to this direction. Here it's going directly back. So it's nice and easy. So I consider this engine good even today for a daily use, because it's using something like 4 liters per 100 kilometers. That's it. Friendly, slowly, trustful, 1000% trustful. Everything is fine with this engine. Also, this bike with all the liquids on it, oil, gas, everything, it's 195 kilos heavy. Brakes. Drum front, we have a big one drum and we have a big drum also back. The braking, it's typical for the season. The front suspension, it's a good system, we know it. It's you can say that for 1950s, it's braking nicely. For today, you can say that it's acceptable, and with 26 only horses, okay, it's okay. Okay, quality. It's completely stupid if I speak for quality for a bike that it's alive 65 years. Doesn't matter if they have restored it once or twice. 65 years are 65 years. And I think that it's got at least 20 more years as it is. So, stupid to speak about quality. The quality, for sure, it's perfect. So, I will say to Georgia, please come.
Cute.
Georgia. So this is a woman in black with another woman in black.
Black.
But I am full of light because I am the star.
And love.
Yes, and love. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia.
Yeah.
And Ioannis.
Ioannis.
For this very important show for motorcycle and this very important bike in the history of bikes. So, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Rock Radio Show. Thanks for watching. I don't know really why we have so many bikes like this here in Greece. Probably because they have destroyed everything in Greece, the Germans. They give us these bikes. I don't know. I don't know.
They are good looking.
Because this is after war bikes. It's not things that remains from the war. Anyway, good looking bike. Not like the woman.
Yes. That's what you get.
Δεν έχεις μικρόφωνο, έχω εγώ, τζάμπα μιλάς. Yeah.